it is not as enjoyable to have a big dent in your vehicle. Dent pullers do exactly what their name suggests, which is pulling the ding out to level with the rest of the vehicle. And they are available in different designs, including suction cups, hammer drill sets and bridge removal kits. There are many products available to choose dent remover, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dent puller for big dents from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Super PDR Auto Body Paintless Dent Removal Tools Kit. Super PDR 68 PCS dent repair toolkits are another great way to make your large dents in your vehicle invisible. It is one of the safest and effective dent puller you will get in the market. This is one of the safest and efficient to repair door dings, pop out the big dents in your vehicle, and hail damages on metal surfaces like washing machines, refrigerators, motorcycles, and other autos without damaging the original paint. Super PDR puller is made with durable plastic, rubber, and stainless steel. These dent pullers are made with an ergonomic design, thus saving you labor and making it easy for you to lift. This dent remover is also quite sturdy and durable. All items that touch the vehicle are made of rubber, thus does not hurt the auto surface. This tool is easy to operate, and thus making it possible for any person to remove the dents both for professionals and deers. Number 2. Mucus Dent Rods Paintless Dent Repair Kit. Mucus is among the best premium dent removal tools. This tool does not spoil your vehicles. The Mucus dent removal tools are made from durable and high-carbon stainless steel. This tool is made with durable enough materials, thus helping you to push the metal without bending. The steel is resistant to corrosion. The tools, therefore, remain with their bright finish and the dent removal rods do not rust. This Mucus dent puller for big dents is made with a professional's design. The tips of the dent repair rods are thicker, and thus they will not damage the initial paint on the vehicle. The tap-down tools included in this package will enable you to flat high sports anytime you need. This is among the newest professional dent removers with stainless whale tail dent. Mucus dent puller helps you to repair large dents. This Mucus dent puller comes with different types of rods that are applicable for different applications. You can use this tool perfectly on refrigerators, automobiles, and mental processing among others. Number 3. Glisten D Paintless Dent Repair Kit. This is one of the most comprehensive dent repair kits you will get in the market. This comprehensive dent puller removes paintless dents completely. It is also safe to use material since it is made with environmentally friendly materials. This Glisten D Paintless Dent Puller removes dents between 0.1 inches to 10 inches caused by hail damage and strike among others. This dent puller does not only work for all car types, but even on refrigerators and motorcycles. One of another great features of the Glisten D Paintless Dent Puller is that it saves you both money and time. This kit is highly portable, and you can carry it anywhere. This paintless repair kit comes with detailed instructions on how to repair the dents, thus making the removal process quite easy. This dent puller for big dents is not only made for professionals, but also for deers. Number 4. FLY 5D74 PCS Car Body Paintless Repair Removal Tools. FLY 5D74 PCS Car Body Removal Kit is one of the best paintless repair tools you will get in the market. It is one of the easiest kits to use when repairing hails, fixing door problems, and removing all dents. This professional paintless removal tool is ideal to solve hail damages and auto dents. Its unique arch bridge design eradicates all the chances of adding more damages. The kit comes with yellow glue stick that has strong viscosity. It is therefore an ideal for harder car parts. The white glue sticks have an ordinary stickiness, and thus suitable for not very hard parts of the vehicle. The kit also comes with black glue sticks which are ideal relatively soft parts of the vehicle. Number 5. U Paintless Dent Repair Puller Kit. What makes this dent puller model from ARISD our best overall dent repair kit is that it can be used on various kinds of flat surfaces besides cars such as refrigerators, motorcycle body and washing machine. It can easily repair all kind of dents and things. This dent puller will use a hammer-like T-puller bar that provides more effective hold and is also quite sturdy. The bar has an inspired design that allows it to be decomposed into T-bar for even more uses. Overall, this is a highly durable dent puller made from a tough high-carbon stainless steel material and with rubber and plastic tabs. The carry bag would be nice to help you keep all the components well organized in one place. However, absence of is still not a deal-breaker given that it does not affect the usefulness and effectiveness of the dent puller. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.